everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb, and today we're looking at another palette from Yizhi. They are a Chinese brand, and a couple of weeks ago I showed you one of their palettes. It's just a small thing called the Cloud Garden, and it looks like that. Super pretty, right? Very simple, very basic, everyday sort of a palette. So I ordered the other one that's available from them at the moment. There were a couple of others, one of which I would have loved to have had, but it was out of stock. So here's how it arrives in this lovely wax paper with the beautiful seal on it. And in addition to this one, we've also got another palette still in its box. And this one, I think was called SheenEffect. Sheen as like Charlie Sheen. And it looks, oops, like that. So let's get down and have a closer look. I'm seeing holographic particles in this one already, which makes me excited. Okay, dealing first of all with the Yizhi Cloud Garden. The original one that I have here was the 9 Spring edition, and it looks like that. And I have used this 3 times. It's beautiful. The mattes are just lovely, soft and buttery, easy to blend, and these 2 shimmers were spectacular. So on that basis, oh, by the way, you probably can't tell, but there's actually, oh, you can. There's cat fur on this. It's that kind of velvety stuff. Oh yeah, it's way worse on the back. So highly recommend keeping hold of the plastic, not plastic, cardboard cover for it. If you're a pet owner, you'll be glad you did. Okay, so here it is. I'll break the seal. I haven't even seen this myself yet. Okay, let's get that undone. Beautiful green velvet with the same imprint. We've got, looks like a Christmas tree on this one. That is super pretty. Let's have a look at the colours. Oh my goodness. Okay, that red. It looks amazing. Okay, let's get swatching. So we've got this mucky tan green. Oh, look at that. So nice. And then a really dirty green. Oh my God. It's like a dirty pine. And then this fabulous fresh green. Oh my goodness, their mattes are so good. And then the last matte is this grey, which looks like that. Yeah, they are soft and go for miles. Excellent. Oh, I love that colour story too. Honestly, these mattes are just super high quality, like Huda Beauty or what she called Natasha Denona. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. That gold is bright and beautiful, and this I can see blue and green. Wow. That is just lovely. What a beautiful shade. And then finally the red, which I'm super excited about. Let's try that one. Oh, wow, soft. Okay, so this is more of an orange red. Can you tell? It's got a shift. Not much of one. It's more like it's got an orange base. I can't believe how soft that is. These are not squishy shadows at all. They are beautiful. What a lovely little palette. Easy to travel with, and just 2 shadows together. This grey in the outer corner with that green, the brown with the red, or the tan. That is so nice. You can get a nice matte look out of that, let alone a mattes and shimmers. Okay, and these 2 palettes together, let's just do it. Oh yeah, what do you think? That is beautiful. All right, because I forgot to press record, I have literally just swatched these and talked all about them. But yeah, I'll just repeat basically what I said, and that is that these mattes are super soft. They are quite beautiful. This palette actually looks a lot darker than it looks online. Online, this colour looked a positive baby blue, but as you see in real life, it's much more of a sea foam greeny blue, and I am loving this shade so much. That is gorgeous. And these shimmers are just delightful. They're quite toppery. As you see, they literally just leave a wash of sparkles, which is fine by me. I will just show them again so that you can see how they swatch. That one is a lovely duochrome at least. And this, wow, gorgeous. That and that together. See on my fingers, look at the holographic particles left behind there. These are absolutely lovely. So yeah, I have no hesitation in recommending the formulas of either of these two palettes, SheenEffect and Yizhi. If there's anything that you see from them that you like the look of, no problem in recommending their formulas. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm kind of disappointed, I must admit, that this red just isn't really red and it is actually orange. That's kind of a shame. I would have preferred otherwise, but there we go. That's what we've got. So I'll call that the end of this video. Say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it was useful for you. If you're looking at these Chinese beauty brands, then these two are good ones. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.